Welcome to this video, which will guide you through the process of quickly creating a MySQL-to-MySQL data synchronization data job using CloudCanal. Now let's get started. CloudCanal comes with a worker that can be used for running data jobs. Go to the worker management and check if the worker status is normal. Add the data sources that need to be synchronized, including the source and target. The data sources have been added successfully. The preparation is complete, and now it's time to create a synchronization data job. Click on Create Data Job to start the creation process. First of all, choose the source and target data sources that need to be synchronized and test the connection. Select the databases. Proceed to the next step and select the data job type. Choose the data job specification and more functions. Choose the tables that need to be synchronized. If the target does not have this table, CloudCanal will perform a schema migration and create the table on the target. CloudCanal also supports to process data in many ways about the data job. Confirm the information and click Create Data Job. The data job is created successfully. The data job starts to run step by step automatically. Go to the Detail page to see the details of each data task of the data job and the specific information about the data job. Many operations can be performed on the data job. CloudCanal provides monitoring metrics and online logs to facilitate operations and maintenance. Now the data job was successfully created and running. If you want more information, please visit www.cloudcanalx.com. Thanks for watching.